US30 on the weekly charts, it led another bearish candle going close to 34,000. However, still staying in this bullish channel. So what to expect? Can we expect a little retracement in US30 next week on the upside, or we can again expect it to drop below 34,000, achieving 33,600 levels, which are the great support levels? What to expect? Which position you should take in order to profit trading US30 next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, comment, and share is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. And in fact, twice a day I deliver the analysis and targets for Dow Jones. First with the Europe and Asia session, and next with the US session. These two daily updates definitely adds meaning to your day trading decisions. So do watch that. Do press the bell icon. Join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. With that, let's start. Now see, first let's have a look at the weekly charts. We can still see US30 staying in this bullish channel here. After, see, this is a flag formation, and after the flag formation we can see this rise here. Yes, it is still trying to stay in this channel. Only if it stays below 34,000 next week, you can say 33,600 is the next target which is it is going to achieve. But right now if you look at the candle size, see, it tried to drop. However, the body size is very minuscule. It failed to stay bearish and got a pullback and closed at around 34,330 levels. Now yes, 34,400, which was earlier a resistance, is now again going to be a resistance for next week, and hence if you see it is staying above 34,600, you can expect a little more rise, where in fact I will expect it to rise little more and achieve. See what it will try to do. You can see these highs, you can see these lows. It is trying to stay in this bearish channel, and the highs of this channel will be somewhere here at around 35,000 levels. So there is a possibility of a little retracement. Even if it has to drop, it can achieve those levels for once. That is the first observation. However, a little retracement should not be treated as a reversal, because see, it might break out beyond this zone in the coming month. There is a possibility to it. I will come back to it later. However, right now it is very much within this zone, and as long as it respects this channel, you should not even treat this as bearish. So see, neither bullish nor bearish, staying sideways within this zone between 34,000 to 35,500 levels. These 1500 points are going to remain critical, where US30 will still try to find out a direction. However, largely it appears that possibly we may see it coming down later. But right now on the weekly charts, yes, above 34,400 is where we may see a little more bullishness. Now coming to the daily. On the daily charts, we all know that this was the consolidation zone, 33,600 to 34,600 levels, 1000 points. It has precisely achieved the median here and has recovered a bit from there. Now falling back within the zone is important for US30, as see, it is completing one complete cycle and now might remain within this zone for a little while. Hence we have to watch out a little with little caution. Now let's have a look at the last few trading sessions. You can see here higher highs are seen, lower lows are seen, trying to stay within the box. Now see, we have 34,500 in front of us, which is a great resistance for US30. So if you see it is staying above 34,500 levels, possibly this is the level above which we can see little more rise. 34,500, 600 rather. These two levels are very important for US30. Beyond that, we are looking at 34,800 and 35,000 levels also. Yes, it could possibly retrace a little on the upside. Even if it has to drop, it can try to retrace a little on the upside. So see, if I draw a flag from here, possibly it can try to pull a little tilt towards 35,000 levels or 34,800, even if it is bearish, because see, there is bearishness for sure. However, little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. You have to watch out how it behaves. So yes, above 34,500, 600 zone is where we can see accelerated bullishness in US30, where it may try to achieve 34,800, 35,000 levels. Achieving those levels is where we can expect a further drop, or we can expect that US30 might start to fall from those levels. There is a very strong probability there. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's also have a look at the monthly candle. Now on the monthly charts, you can find out, see, this is the support zone. You can see very clearly around 32,500, 33,000 levels, and this was the consolidation. See, it has given a breakout here and it is trying to stay bullish, and the double top level. So double top is equally important here in the preceding candle. Now see, this candle, what it is trying to do, higher lows. Now it can try to continue with a little rise in the coming week, try to achieve mostly 34,800, 35,000 levels. Possibility exists for this, and then the next monthly candle might stay bearish, might trade in red, and which will try to take it for 34,000, 33,600 levels. So a couple of red candles will be done. These levels will also not be breached, and at the same time it will achieve its target of couple of red candles where it can try to pull the prices little down. So even if it is bullish, it can try to yield couple of more red candles before looking upwards. So this is what we can expect. And yes, the closing of the monthly candle can be probably at 34,500 levels or 34,400 levels, and hence before that it can try to pull or lift on the upside, or else even if it tries to lift, it can try to close somewhere here at around 34,800 500. That is also one of the probabilities which exist very strong. So yes, a rise is what we can expect here, possibly in US30 next week. However, towards the end, it can try to take a U-turn and try to continue on the sell side. So be watchful, be careful at around 34,800, 500 if you see it at around those levels any point of time. At the same time, remember any drop below 34,000 levels will call for the more bears, where we can expect 33,600 as the next destination. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Now look, indicators on the monthly charts, 20 period moving average sitting comfortably at around 33,300, 33,200 levels, and the support levels are at further lower at 33,000 levels. These are very strong support levels for US30 on the downside. Right now the prices were a little divergent, and yes, it is just trying to converge, staying in this bullish flag formation. Remember this fact, is staying in this bullish flag formation. See, the stochastic is overbought and hence it can try to cool down a bit. But look at the MACD. See the MACD crossing over here. And remember, these levels are very important for US30. From these levels, since last 10 years, we have seen it always achieving higher highs here. So a crossover here is very important. However, right now it appears it might stay flat for a couple of months before looking forward to an up move here. So this is one observation which is very critical. So downside is also very much limited. Yes, it can yield a red candle next month also, but then with a very limited downside. So possibility exists that this candle might try to lift a little up and close at little highs, and then a red candle next month. See, RSI is almost flat. Coming to the weekly charts. Now on the weekly charts, you can see moving average is crossed over here. Trading with divergence, trading bullish. Yes, it has achieved the 20 period moving average here. It has got the confirmation, it has got the support here, and now trying to retrace a little. So retracement on the upside cannot be denied. At the same time, any drop below 34,000 will try to take it to 33,600, 33,500, and then ultimate support at 33,000 levels. Chances are less. Stochastic dropping vertically, MACD willing to converge crossover for sell, but yes, remember this, it has still got room for it to continue on the upside and achieve higher highs before looking forward to a drop. RSI is also dropping here. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts. Moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. We can see lower highs, lower lows. This is very important. Lower highs, lower lows, and hence any breakout beyond 34,600, 700 zone will try to take it till towards 35,000. Now achieving the sharp drop, it is staying in this bearish channel, and hence 34,000 to 34,600 levels is where you should watch out for closely. Now see, moving averages are almost converged for a crossover. This is a bearish sign. It has not yet crossed over, and these levels here at 34,700 are going to be a stronger resistance for US30 on the upside. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. The MACD is extremely bearish, and thus it calls for a little reversal from here, and we can see a possible rise from here. So next 4 to 5 candles, possibly it can try to converge a bit. It can try to lift the prices little up, may try to achieve 34,800, 35,000 levels also before looking forward to a drop. RSI at bottom trying to retrace here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to summarize my observation and give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, investment on your learning is the only investment which can reap the profits for you for life. So this is a one-time investment, and definitely it will help you become a proficient and profitable traders. Remember, see, learn, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy which can help you identify profitable trades with ease and trade profitably. So yes, do reach out to me for more details. With that, see, we have seen that US30 has seen a good swing last week, yes, but it has failed to stay at lower levels and tried to show a pullback towards the end of the week. Thus, it shows that the prices are not willing to stay bearish and can show a pullback little on the upside. However, on the upside, 34, 600, 700 zone is where the maximum resistance 500, 600, 700, these are the three critical resistances. And then beyond that, we may see it going close to 35,000 levels also. There is a very strong probability to it that it can try to retrace a little. However, these levels at 600, 700, it needs to break pass by. So yes, on the downside, 34,000 is going to remain a very, very strong support. Below that, 33,800, 33,600, and then 33,000 are major supports. Also, we realize that on the monthly charts, it can yield a red candle itself. It will not break on the upside, and possibly the next monthly candle might also stay in red here. So this is something you should note and watch out for. With that, let's start. Let me give you the trading levels here. Now we have seen that, and this is why I recommend you to buy here at 34,355. But then we all know 34,400, very strong resistance. Then 34,500. Now see, every 100 points there is a little milestone for US30 on the upside. Now 34,500 is the next stronger levels, and then 34,600. See, every 100 points I cannot avoid, it is in hundreds, and I have to mention it in hundreds itself. So 34,600 is the next. Now see, these levels are very critical here. If it stays above 34,600, certainly we can see accelerated bullishness, which might take it for 34,800, 35,000 levels. In fact, achieving 35,000 levels, we have to watch out carefully, because see, it is just trying to retrace. Any retracement will call for a further drop. So right now on the daily chart, there is a possible retracement which can be however, we should not mistake a retracement from a reversal. Thus, till the time it breaks past the preceding highs at 35,700 levels, we should not be treating US30 as bullish for the near term, and in fact we can expect every rise is an opportunity for a further drop, and in fact we can see a red candle in the next month where we can expect it to achieve slightly lower lows. This is my expectation, possibly because we looking at the multiple indicators and multiple indices, this appears that it is going to stay bearish for the next month as well. So yes, highs are there, we can see a retracement. However, we have to exercise caution at the higher levels. Now on the downside, where to expect a sell? I will recommend you to sell only at 34,250. Now we all knew that 34,250, these are the triple bottom levels on the daily charts, and from there it has shown a sharper drop. So thus only below 34,250 you should initiate a sell entry. Below that, possibly we may see it hitting 34,120, 34 050 levels, and in fact 34,000. Now once it stays below 34,000, that is the point below which the bears will try to take over. We are having couple of strong support levels on the downside at 33,800, 33,600 levels. This is the strongest support zone on the daily charts. Only below 33,600 is where the bears will take over further. For 33k, I do not see it is retracing here, not in this month, not in next month, and hence you have to exercise caution while trading US30 in this zone. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you. Do watch the daily analysis. Definitely it will be helpful in your day trading decisions. Thank you.